send you to the other lot. We no longer take RVs.
Oh.
They're going to exit you out right there by the wall. You're going to go out to Ball. At Ball, you'll make a right. You go to Harbor, take a right on Harbor, straight down just past Catella, and it'll be on your left. It's the Toy Story lot.
Okay. I'm so glad you're here because we are in Anaheim, California, and today we're going to Disneyland! Woo!
So far, God brought us through, me and you, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad you're here, and you're here, and you're here, yeah, you're here. I'm so glad, I'm so glad, I'm so glad, I'm so glad you're here. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da da da.
So the boys don't even know we're here yet because they were sleeping when we pulled in. But we're gonna go in and surprise them right now. All right, Chef. You awake, honey? We gotta go. We got a big surprise for you. Yeah! See, the guys are having a hard time waking up. Our boys are not morning.
They are not. Chet, are you a morning kid?
Alright, boys, guess where we're going?
Where?
Zaya, you ready for this?
Where?
You ready?
Uh-huh.
We're going to
Disneyland!
Wait. Oh.
Who's ready to go to Disneyland?
Pick this guy, right here.
Here we go!
Whoa.
Now that you've been on tour, where are you going to go?
We're going to Disneyland!
We're going into Disneyland.
Here we are.
Look at that horse-drawn carriage. One crucial RV tip is this, that if you are driving an RV and plan on parking at Disneyland, then you can only park at the Buzz Lightyear parking. So look that up and check into that, because we actually got way off schedule today going to the main parking and then coming back to Buzz Lightyear. So definitely do that.
It's Goofy!
Here we are on Main Street, USA in Disneyland. And the castle is right there. So it's a little smaller than what we're used to. Totally one of my favorite things about Disneyland is this place right here, Main Street Cinema. I have always loved this place. What's better than a marching band on Main Street?
About to go on a ride that the boys have never been on because it's not at Disney World, it's only here at Disneyland, and it's called the Storybook Canal Boat, so we're pretty excited.
This is where all the settings from the Disney animated films come to life, except in miniature.
What are we fixing to go on?
Thunder Mountain.
Thunder Mountain? The roller coaster? You'd go on that? That's crazy.
We're already on, but I don't want to go on it. This is my last time going on the plane.
Big Thunder Mountain. Are you excited?
I don't know that I have to.
Don't be scared. Did your tummy feel a little crazy? There we go. Was that super fun? No. A little bit. It was a little bit fun. I laughed a lot.
I screamed a little bit.
You see him? How was it, Chef? Good?
This one was awesome. It's got like this cool tunnel where there's like a fight, like there's cannons going off, dynamite or TNT or something.
Oh, it's a really scary roller coaster.
All right, what to next?
Indiana Jones.
All right.
Do it.
Woo!
That's cool. It's almost 40 inches.
So I'm about to go on Indiana Jones, which I am psyched out of my mind because they don't have it in Orlando. So it's been a long time since I've been on this one. This is creepy. Almost there. Well, that was crazy.
How's that for a view? Uh-oh, let's go check it out. We haven't gotten to do nearly everything that I want to do, but our Fast Pass just came up for the Cars track race. I can't remember what it's called, but I'll put it on here. And so we have to go over to California Adventure.
And this baby doll is already fast asleep.